Cartesian and parametric form. X equals r cosine t, y equals r sine t. And then it is useful if you remember that sine squared t plus cosine squared t equals 1 and secant squared t minus tangent squared t is 1. These two trig identities. So from this now you can see from here that when I add with squared, x squared plus y squared will be r squared, you can say cosine squared t, r squared sine squared t. When you factor out r squared, you get cosine squared t plus sine squared t, which is simply r squared, because cosine squared t plus sine squared t is 1. This is the identity. So when I say x squared plus y squared is r squared, is the equation of the circle. Is the equation of a circle, center at 0, 0 and radius r. Okay, so this is, you can say, the connection between Cartesian and parametric. This is also known as a polar coordinate. So you get x squared plus y squared equals r squared, equation of circle in Cartesian form. But when I say x equals r cosine t, y equals r sine t, this is in parametric form, equation of a circle. So now I'm giving you few known algebraic functions. So those will be the base of our discussion today in this section. Straight line. So the equation of a straight line, we can say y equals mx plus b, which is a slope intercept form. Then you can have y minus y naught equals m of x minus x naught. This is point slope form. Then you can say is the most standard one, ax plus by plus c equals 0. So these are the equations of straight lines in different forms. Second one, I'm going to circle, you have seen already. So the circle form will be like x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So the center will be at 0, 0 and radius is r. Then you can have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. In this case, center will be hk and radius is r. Number 3, when I say x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1, or you can say x minus h squared plus y minus k squared over a squared, this one over b squared equals 1. So these are the ovals, or you can say ellipse. So the first one, ellipse has center at 0, 0. In this case, center will be at hk. That if you have some oval like this, so this is the point here 0, 0 when I consider this one. And this is the point here will be hk when I say this equation. Now the length, this one here is a and that one here is b. Okay, so this is ellipse. I'm going to next one, x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equals 1. So this one will be hyperbola. So the hyperbola look like this. Just one remaining, which is the parabola, like y equals x squared or x equals by squared. So the first one, y equals ax square will be something like this. And then the next one is x equals by squared will be something like this, right? Yeah, like that. Okay, so these are the graphs.